What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Joey Max. Different kind of scenery.
Back at it with another banger.
We're starting this off in the car, and in this video I'm going to be letting my boy drive a right-hand drive car for the first time. So,
got the gloves on for the JDM relics.
Let's get into it. A lot of you guys might already know who he is, but this is Jake Labella, and he is one of my boys. He came up for the weekend. We went and took our cars drag racing, as you guys saw in the last video. Unfortunately, it didn't go as planned for me. It went as planned for him.
We spanked them, boys.
All right. He did. So we have to go run to Jordan's house to grab the grinder because we're going to be starting to work on the 240. And yeah, let's see how he does.
Kind enough to let your boy take the S15 out.
All right, so that's first gear.
With a rip. Oh, I've driven a right-hand drive car before, but it was an auto.
Yeah, so it doesn't count. This is his first time driving a real right-hand drive car.
Just about. Nothing's much different. Blast pipes on this bad girl.
Yeah, it sounds like shit. Damn, you didn't hit the wipers.
Nope. JDM
Damn,
rookie,
I thought he was gonna hit the wipers.
You thought I was a JDM rookie?
He was practicing.
Huh? I did, like multiple times before he got in the car. This thing definitely feels like it has a welded diff.
Right?
100% feels like it has a welded diff.
This thing definitely feels like it has one.
So we just aired up the tires to 60 psi, and I'm about to see how good this thing slides.
The car doesn't slide very well at all. I slid it one time and I had to rev the shit out of it. If it's wet out, you might get a little bit, but it drives pretty good for being 25 years old.
It's a smooth car.
But we're about to get on the road, so I'll pick this back up when we get there. All right, come on, first gear, first gear. Put it back in first, pussy. All right, boys, here we go.
And holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh my gosh!
Let's go!
Got up to 40 miles an hour. Oh.
SR20!
It's so slow. Oh my gosh, bro. It feels so weird, like someone doing that and you're on this side. I'm on this side of the car.
This is my first SR. It's my first, like, JDM everything, I guess.
Yeah.
Never banged gears in a right-hand drive.
It's weird, but it's the same. But it's.
Hey, we didn't miss, boys.
Yeah, we didn't miss. The first throw, you're like, all right, and then the second throw, you're like, it's just weird. Like
you feel like
a lot more thought.
You feel like you're gonna money shift to 2-3.
Yeah, 100%. It wasn't too bad, little 1, 2, 3 action.
All right, boys, time to start sending my boy GoFundMe money for a turbo kit.
Yeah, we're probably gonna go ahead and turbo this car. As a lot of you guys know, it is the SR20 DE. So unfortunately, it's what's that truck? Yeah, it's slow as dick. Jake thinks it's probably the fastest car he's ever been in.
Yeah, faster than the Mustangs.
For sure. So we're probably gonna go ahead and turbo this thing. I saw Jimmy Oaks, he made a video a few years ago of him turboing the DE one. So I was gonna definitely look into that. Just have to tap the head and tap the pan for the return and the coolant. So that's something we can definitely look into. Ultimately, I'd like to put a JZ in this car. I think JZs just sound sick. I've never had a JZ. People get mad, SR20s are the best motor, but this one's a DE, SR20 DE. I can make it a T though. We can make it a T.
Hey, you can't beat the good old sound of a turbo SR with a nice blow valve.
So we might go ahead and do that, and I gotta just see which one, price to price, because if it's super similar, I'm gonna put a JZ in this car, but I'm not gonna lie to you, just throwing a turbo kit on here wouldn't really be that expensive or that bad, other than, you know, we gotta talk to my boy Martin and see if he can tune this piece of shit.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I do not remember how to get the Jordans.
You're going the right way. We have to make it right soon. And we'll do a walk around of it when we get there.
It's smooth. Like this feels like a normal ass car. It doesn't.
And it has
like,
12 Ks in the front.
It does not feel like some old ass Japanese car. I'll tell you that. This look-y feels like maybe like a Corolla. But like a newer Corolla. I'm not gonna do you dirty.
Boy, what the hell, boy? This feels like Isabel's Corolla S15.
This feels like something your grandma would pick you up from school with.
Man, I thought it was a fucking, you know, a race car.
High performance sports car.
Like the cockpit, if you feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's...
Boys, if you don't know what the feeling's like, go on Forza Horizon and pick yourself up an S15, check out the cockpit view.
Oh, you get the same feeling?
Yeah.
So the video game is the same as real life.
Feels good.
All right, boys, so if you're not getting no action in real life, just go on a GTA, and then there's this little, it's like a heel. You can go in there and you can pay for private dances. Maybe you'll get Nikki or Bella.
You'll be good. Just 50 is, you know, the minimum.
And it's the real thing according to Jake. You know, on the game, it's the real thing.
And if you hop out and, you know,
right there.
You get your money back.
Right. He's got the Jordan's house, so we're gonna go run inside, grab the grinder, and get you a little walk around. As you guys could see, there was a little dent right here on this fender. I actually got that PDR'd and it looks so much better. The car just looks 1,000 times better without that little dent there. You got Sweetheart over here. Damn, bro, what do you do for a living?
Scam, get scammed.
But it's not too bad. It sounds like shit though, but we'll get there.
I've been to the other side. I'm gonna do for that broke boy shit. Japan. S15.
Oh, this guy's loaded. Little does he know he drives a Mustang when he leaves here in an hour or two.
Bye.
And this is what we drove all the way here for. I need the grinder because we were working on my 240. And this is the weirdest part. Getting in this thing. Isabel left her Dunkin' bag in here. And...
oh, my bad, brother. Do the honors, please.
that could have been a moment.
Yeah. That was nice.
This fucking guy.
You're definitely getting a good dinner tonight.
Oh! Oh! Ah, nah, 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 nah.
Rebound! Ah!
Deep down inside, Jake's always wanted to be a JDM boy, but unfortunately...
Boys, if you don't know, my offer up saved accounts look like a bunch of Nissans and Z's.
Say that again?
I said my offer up saved pictures are a bunch of Z's and 240s, and I'm a JDM boy at heart, I swear.
Well, I'm trying to get him to get a C times Z because I think that'd be pretty good for him. Him, on the other hand,
I don't know, man, something about 3 valves just sounds so good. You know what? Put in the comments right now, 3 valve, cam 3 valve sounds better than cam 240? Where am I going, left or right?
a Cam LS 240?
Yeah. Turbo cam LS.
Yeah, all right, boys. My car will be running in a month or two, and we'll put this guy's theory to shame.
I don't know, put a side-by-side quick comparison.
Nah,
Dude, the blast pipes,
so bad.
neighbors are hearing you from 4 blocks away.
And this car doesn't move out of its own way.
It's about equivalent to the story of the tortoise and the hare.
I don't know what that is, so I don't get the joke.
They'll get it.
They'll get it?
They'll get it. Ooh, I think I was born for one of these.
What
Look at that, guys. Look, haven't hit the wipers yet.
He's thinking about it so hard.
I know.
Because I talked to him about it.
I'm trying so hard not to hit it.
And he's like, yeah, bro, I ain't gonna hit it. Bro, what if you get a Z and put a 3 valve in it?
Oh, people would hate me, but I'd love it. That'd be sick.
I'm not gonna lie, I think that'd be a pretty... Dude, the turbo setup out of your 3 valve right now, you go ahead and put in a Z. Bro, think about it. You don't need the fuse or nothing. The fuse boxes are nothing. So we swap everything from that into a Z.
Listen, if they put in the comments to do it, I might think about it.
That's never been done because no one's gay.
Are you in you looking for a new motor? Because I could easily blow up this SR really fast.
No, you can't.
No, I know.
That's a DE. Them D's don't break. SR20D, VQ35D. They do.
Well, does that sound like we're rubbing a little bit?
Nah, brother.
Goddamn. 12 Ks in the front.
We're just cornering pretty hard.
Yo, you're my date. I just picked you up for dinner. Don't worry about that, sweetheart. 20-year-old car. Nope, I don't drug deal. Just make money moves.
Yeah, we're not drug dealers. I mean, if you can get us in...
Oh, I almost did it. I almost fucking did it. I stopped myself, though. You ain't catching that on video yet, buddy.
So how do you feel so far?
How do I feel? I feel like everybody should address me as king when I'm around.
Bro's. Damn, I know.
Yo, bro hopped in the right-hand drive car. Ego shot through the roof.
It ain't ego, bro.
I think it's ego and a pride thing.
Yo, my bad, kid. Oh my gosh. All right, put in first gear and clutch kick the shit out of it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
All right.
You have to rev the shit out of it.
Not bad. How much you want? I'll give you.
Imagine it was turbo.
Give you $3,000.
We are.
If it was turbo, this thing would have eaten.
Yeah, we are in Mexico though. Don't. Bop.
Right? Martin, hit us up. Need a pop barrel tip for this bad girl.
We need flames. All right, boys.
That's been the experience of driving right-hand drive.
Yep.
Hope you guys liked the
that was
video.
that was my boy's first time ever in a right-hand drive car. That's a real right-hand drive car. Like this video, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I thought this would be a cool video, letting a normal person that drives a Corolla every day experience this. Anything you gotta say?
Toyota Prius.
Give them what's your 1 out of 10?
1 out of 10 for overall driving experience. I definitely give this bad girl like an 8.9 out of 10. Really fun to drive.
Not bad.
Great experience. I know the DESR is slow as dog water, but it's fun. I can have fun in this all day.
You had fun in a 160 horsepower car.
This is a perfect daily, boys.
Wait.
Are they turning?
Oh no. Well, all right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Jake's channel, Jake Labella. Somewhere here, he's almost at 25K.
Appreciate you, boys.
And thanks for watching.